was trying to find the best rated meat pies here in Sydney, and the reviews said, had the pepper pie and curry chicken. Both delicious, but get the pepper pie. Absolutely amazing. Wish there were places to rest the feet when sitting on the stools at the back of the shop, but that's just being nitpicky. Doesn't take away from the amazing food. Okay, Steven, do you want a massage in your foot as well? Peter Ngo said, the food was very good. Chips were so crunchy. Pies were one of the best I've ever tried. There's a wall full of celebrities who visit. It was funny to find out that Richard Branson visited this place. Very cheap also. For now it's looking good. Until Joakim said, I ordered a beef pie, but there was no beef in the pie, but chicken. I couldn't understand why people said it was delicious. I could barely finish it because there was tomato sauce, but honestly, I wanted to throw it to the seagull. But I couldn't because I felt sorry for the seagull. H&B said, serving the tiger pie, mushy peas, mash and gravy since 1945. But not today. They're out of peas. How amazing is that? No sorry, no discount. Still paying full price for a pie and the mash without the peas. Since 1945. It's like going to a burger place and they are out of cheese. Insane. Honestly, if you are going to a burger place, I hope you are getting the burger. Anyways, after this reviews, we are going Harry Café de Wheels. It was the best rated one I found it, and you'll join me in this experience. Afterward, we are going to try the best pavlova they have here. I just discovered the pavlovas are from Australia, so we are going to Flower and Stone, and it was one of the best rated as well on Google. Living in Australia sometimes feels kind of crazy. Look at this crazy bird, so weird and big. The only condition I have in this video is giving the honest opinion after coming to the restaurant. So after eating this meat pie, some chips and the pavlova, I will have to rate it online and be very honest. If it's 1 star, it's 1 star. If it's 5 stars, it's 5 stars. But I will have to give my honest opinion. Meanwhile, we are on the bus. Let's read some controversial reviews. Alison Vercruz said, Flower and Stone is a gem of bakery. Eat in at the pantry or take away from the annex. It's all the best of baked goods that I have found in Sydney. Not too sweet, just the right portions, and worth every calorie. All of the delights are a feast for the eyes and the palate. 5 stars. Looking good, Alison. Thank you. HS said, it's kind of weird when they just put their initials. It looks like they don't want to know people who they are. HS said, overrated and expensive. Everything looks great on the counter, but that's really it. We tried a few cakes and they were all dry and lacked any real complexity in flavor. Bread is bread, so just go for the bread. H&S, sorry, but I don't want some bread. Junior and Nidia said, best lamington in town. I love that it wasn't too sweet and the cake was really moist inside. I'll wait, it served cold. Pastries were good and flaky. Toast was well toasted. It has to be, right? 5 stars. Again, we are 50-50, but I think it will be good, this one. Maybe expensive, but good. We just actually arrived to the city center of Sydney, and this is kind of crazy because all the buildings are so big, and in Portugal we are not used to this, so yeah, it's kind of crazy. And if you don't want me to go to bankrupt, just leave me a sub, please. Guys, I'm traveling more than 30 kilometers to eat this pie, so if it's not good, believe me, I will tell you it's not good. Guys, it's literally time to taste it. We are gonna start in the chips first. Oh, they look yummy. Oh, these are so great, guys. Chips, amazing. The real one. Is it good? It has to be. See, the texture is kind of weird, but it's very good. I love it. I am so full. It was $15, so it's completely worth it. Just to respond to our review from Chang. Well, Chang, I ordered beef and it came beef, and I preferred if it was chicken. It was not bad. I will give it a 4 on the pie. On the chips, they were so crazy good. It was amazing. So in this time of the year they don't have the pavlova, but as you can see I have a merengue here. Guys, it looks incredible, and now I'm gonna taste it and I will tell you the honest review again. This one. I will have to give a review, an honest review, guys, I'm sorry. This dessert was around $9.50. It's very expensive, and honestly I really didn't like it. It was not my favorite. It's not bad, but you have to like this kind of stuff to enjoy it. Honestly, I think it was good to stop my craving. Why are you filming? Why are you filming?